Hi friends, welcome to your practice for today. Before we get started, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this page or share it with any of your friends. That would mean a lot. What's up everybody? Welcome to your practice for today. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, or drop a comment below to support this page. It would mean a lot to me. Before we get started as well, please make sure that your body is nice and warmed up. This is going to require a lot of strength into your wrist flexors. So if you're looking to strengthen your wrist flexors, because in arm balances, they are the most important muscle group to focus on, please check out the link in the description below for my wrist strengthening drills and routine. And going through the movement of this very special arm balance transition from the straddle handstand into Tittibhasana is very, very, very intrinsic to how you're able to move down. So controlling your lowers, otherwise known as negatives. So if you're really working on this, the best way to go about it is to find your straddle in a handstand, lower down with control. And that's going to take some time and patience, and that's cool. You just want to build that awareness of controlling the lowers to get to the position. So with any kind of handstand to arm balance transition, you want to be able to create that push through the shoulders, through the palms as you lower down. So as you lower down, you really want to control your movement through activating your feet, keeping the hip flexors as high as possible, and pushing the ground away as you lower. And of course, you are going to lean your chest forward as you lower into the position. So we are going to start out by first getting into a Tittibhasana just to get the shape into the body. So bring your hands behind your heels. Then squeeze your legs into your forearms. Sit your butt down and really squeeze your legs into the triceps this time. Maybe your ankles meet. And then reach your feet out wide. Keep reaching out through the feet. And then slowly come out of it. So we're going to get into the groove and rhythm of things. So you don't have to press handstand your way into the straddle. You just want to find your straddle shape. And I'm going to walk you from there. Remember, in all your handstands, please keep your gaze between your wrists to start out with. Then from straddle, create a posterior tuck of the pelvis. Internally rotate the legs. Keep your hips high, high, high. As you slowly lower, keep pressing the ground away. Lower, activate the inner thighs. And you are in Tittibhasana. Keep squeezing the legs to the arms. Look up. And then come out of it. Don't worry about being graceful as you come out of it. So I hope that this video has helped you understand the movement a little bit more clearly. Remember, focus on the lowers, focus on your negatives. Focus on the extra push from the shoulders to the wrist flexors onto the earth as you lower down. And really activate your glutes, activate your inner thighs, your adductors as you lower down. Please drop any of your questions below in the comment box. Of course, all of the links of my wrist strengthening drills are linked in the description below. I hope this practice has helped clarify things for you. And if you have any more questions, again, leave them in the comment box below. Thank you for joining me.